Okay, hello, potato. Can you hear teacher? Potato. Okay. Can you hear me? Hello. Ano kayo? Di, nandugo yan, ho. Okay, can you hear teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, potato. I have here sentence 1 to 6. You're going to tell me what kind of food and drink is being described in each number, okay? For example, we have here potato. Example, this fruit is yellow inside and you can make juice from it. A fruit that is yellow inside. Which one here is a fruit? What's the answer in the example? It's, what's the answer in the example, potato? It's
Pineapple.
pineapple. Very good. So you're going to tell me what word or what food or drink is being described. Okay. Number 1, potato. Can you please read sentence number 1? Some people go.
Some people put milk and sugar in hot drink.
Okay. Some people put drink, not put drink, sorry. Put milk and sugar in this hot
Coffee.
drink. Very good. Let's see. Let's see the answer. All right, coffee is the correct answer. Potato, number 2. Read number 2. You make, what's number 2?
You make this. You make the drink with milk and the favorite kind of food.
Okay, what's the answer? You make this drink with milk and this is your favorite kind of fruit. A drink that you put milk and you put also different flavor of fruit. What is that? It's a
Soup.
soup. You put milk in the soup and you put the favorite kind of fruit. You put fruit on the soup. Are you sure? Okay,
No.
what is this?
Milkshake.
Okay, let's check if it's a milkshake. Oh, very good. It's a milkshake. Okay, I'll cross the milkshake because it's done. Next, number 3. Read number 3, potato. These are mud.
Hot. Orange.
Thin.
You can put some lemon juice on them.
Okay, these are hot, thin, and round. You can put lemon juice on them. What is that?
Soup.
Let's see if it's a soup. Oh, it's not a soup. What's the answer? It's a, you put lemon juice, man. It's a pancake. Next, number 4, potato. Number 4, most children go. Read.
And grow up. Love is his birthday. Apple after tea.
Okay, most children and grown-ups love eating this, but they are bad for your teeth. What's that? Bad for the teeth. It's, if you eat too much of this, your teeth will be broken. What do you think is the answer? It's, Ah, sweet. Let's see. Is it correct? Very good. It's sweet. Next, potato. Number 5. How about number 5? What's number 5? You make. Look at here. You make this with bread and you can put meat or salad inside. What is that? It's, you make this with bread and you put meat inside or salad inside. It's A again? A sandwich is correct. Next, how about the last number? Number 6, potato. Read number 6.
You can eat or drink from a bowl or from a cup.
Okay. You can eat or drink from this from bowl or from a bowl or a cup. What is that?
Soup.
Oh, perfect. Very good. It's a soup. Okay, great job, potato, because you understand all the sentences given in this activity. Now here, let's do movers tip. So in reading and writing part 4, you choose from 3 options to fill each space in a text. You should not use any other words. The options appear on the page opposite the text, and so you must look at both pages. Okay, look at here, potato. For numbers 1 to 5, I have here 3 choices. Choose only one to complete your answer or the given paragraph. Please read potatoes. Go. Potato, please read potatoes.
Okay, potato go or potato plant. When you look potato plant, you can only see its leaf because potato grow pollen under the ground. There,
390. Should I?
there are many kinds of potato. Farmers many different kinds of potato. Farmers potatoes are one of all. Some people like make fry by the potato. They grow or buy the gift.
Okay. Now, potato, are you ready to check your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check your answer. So we have here a text or a paragraph about potatoes. So potatoes grow on potato plants. When you look at the potato plant, you can only see, number 1 is, it's correct. Its leaves because potatoes grow on the part of the plant that is under the ground. Next, number 2. There are, correct? There are many different kinds of potatoes. Farmers, it's a plural. So, you need a verb, need. Correct, no S. Need more than 16 weeks to grow a really big potatoes, but only 6 weeks to grow little ones. Potatoes are the one of the, not all, one of the world's favorite vegetables. Some people making fries with, not by, with potatoes they grow or buy. Do you? Okay, great job, Potato, because you were able to answer most of these correctly. Okay. All right, there you go. So we finished the entire Unit 11. So since we still have more time, we still have to do the next one. Wait me. Let me share. Okay, there you go. Let's do Unit 12. Potato, what's Unit 12 all about? Unit 12 is all about party things. Correct. Now here, we have here a potato. What are the things that we can put inside the box? How about what kind of food do we put inside the box? Can you give me an example? A food that we sometimes put in the box. It's hmm. Okay. How about this one, potato? In a bottle, what do we put inside the bottle? What do we put in the bottle, potato?
Water.
Oh, water. How about in a bowl? What do we put in the bowl? What do we put in a bowl? What kind of food are we going to put inside the bowl? What is it? What do we put in a bowl, potato?
Tea.
Tea? How about soup? Do you put soup in a bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. How about in a cup? What do we put inside the cup? What do we put inside the cup, potato? What do you put? When you use a cup, what drinks do you put inside the cup?
Fry.
How about milk? Do you put milk inside the cup?
No.
How about tea?
What?
Tea. A tea.
Yeah.
Okay. How about in the glass? What do we...
Also milk.
Okay. A milk. What else do we put inside the glass? In the glass, we put what?
Watermelon juice.
Watermelon juice. Wow, so yummy. Okay. Potato, look at here. I have questions. How many round shapes can you see in the picture? Can you count? Yeah, round shape.
Let me.
Okay, go.
Chung chưa? Mai chung đấy. Thì mở ra xem các bạn làm cái gì.
How many round shapes?
Từ từ mai mình học nữa. Thế đi à? Thế lần sau con đừng đi học nữa.
Ê, tôi có đứa học ở lớp thì em mới không biết đưa bài nào.
Nhóm thêm gạo, ngồi chơi con chơi gì nó rõ ràng ra.
Can you tell me? Round shapes?
Ready,
Okay.
ready.
Okay.
Round, round, tròn, tròn,
A round or a circle shape.
round, round,
One,
Round shape.
okay.
Count.
One,
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Are you sure? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How about square shapes? Can you find? How many square shapes can you find?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 40.
Okay. Now here, potato, can you color? Do you know how to color? Can you color or not?
No,
Yes or no?
no.
Oh, no. Okay, let's just move in here because you cannot color. Okay, potato, let's try to complete sentences about letter B. So, potato, you can use the word round, floor, table, boxes, bowl, and square. Can you please read what's number 1? Come on, these people. Please read. Sorry. Potato, please read. These people.
House,
Number 1, these
ball
people.
or box, and
What's the answer? Most of the bottles and blank are on the shelves. Bottles and what else? What is it? Bottles and
photo and power.
again?
Power.
How about number 3. The biggest box is? How about number 3, potato? The biggest box is on the... Where's the biggest box? Again? Floor. Okay. All right, answer. Next, number 4. The blank bottle is next to the bigger bowl. What's the answer? What's the answer, potato?
Boxes.
Again?
Boxes.
Boxes? Is this your answer?
Yeah.
Next, number 5. 4 glasses. Four glasses are between the blank bottle and the smaller blank. What's the answer?
What?
Number 5. 4 glasses are between
Glasses are between
the blank. Okay, bowl. And smaller. What's number 5? Smaller.
Glasses are between the
Where? Okay, let's check your answer. Okay, now number 2. Most of the bottles and the, look at here. Number 2 is boxes are on the shelves. It's boxes. Next, the biggest box is on the floor, correct? And it is closed. Very good. Number 4, the square, oh, it's not boxes, but it's a square bottle, is next to the bigger bowl. Number 5, 4 glasses are between the round bottle and the smaller bowl, not square bottle. It's a round bottle and a bowl. Okay, so potato, you did great in some of the activities. You just got mistakes in this part. So maybe you need to understand more, okay? So, potato, that would be all for today. It's already time. And we are going to end our class in this activity. So we will just continue this on Tuesday next week. All right? So goodbye for now, potato. Good night. See you next time. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Good night.